Hello the world. This is Tatsuya in Japan. Today, I'm going to tell you a unique way to cook rice in Japan. We Japanese people eat rice as a staple food, as well as Japanese people living in East Asia, Southeast Asia, and South Asia live in rice. But the way to cook rice in Japan is different from that in such areas. Today, let's learn the unique way to cook rice in my country. In my country, there is an advice that the first week, in the middle stroke, don't remove the lid, even if your parents pass away. This is the tip to cook rice in Edo period, when every household uses traditional cooking pot. First, you boil rice in the whole pot by low heat, and when it got boiled enough, you boil it over high heat. After that, you turn off the heat, and steam it with waste heat. At the time when you remove the lid of the pot, you can steam well. Then it is said, don't remove the lid, even when your parents got passed away. This is the unique way to cook rice in Japan. In other nations, you boil rice, rinse it, and then steam it. Why there are difference in the way to cook rice? That is because type of rice is different. In my nation, we cook Japonica rice, and in other areas, you use Indica rice. Compared to Indica rice, Japonica rice absorbs water, and thanks to it, it is sticky. Different character of the rice, the different way to cook it. We cook its unique rice by its unique way. Then, Asian people who live in rice can enjoy ideally strange rice. When you come to Japan, I'd like you to eat various kinds of rice, such as koshihikari and akita komachi. That's all for this video today. Thank you for watching it. Subscribe my channel. Bye.